My name is Travis Smith. I'm the owner and managing director of Square One Engineering, and we're located in South Orange County. It's an engineering services company that provides project support and consulting services to companies that design, develop, and manufacture products here in Southern California. The start of Square One Engineering was really based around the idea that my wife and I had, which was to build a company and offer a service with something that we would buy ourselves. But what sets us apart, I really believe, is the passion that we bring, the flexibility that we provide, and the capabilities we offer really are niche focused, and we're passionate to outwork our competitors, and we produce results.